Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to solve system of equation. As we can see, this equation has a trick and we need to let a equal to 1 over x plus 1 and then b equal to 1 over y minus 2. So then we will get the new system of the equation in terms of a and b, which is 2a plus b equal to 5, 3a minus 2b equal 18. And then what we have to do next, we can multiply the first equation here with 2. So we will get 4a plus 2b equal to 10. 3a minus 2b equal to 18. 1 and 2. So we take 1 plus with 2, which is 7a equal to 28. So then a, which is 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. Okay, so when a equal to 4, then b, which is equal to 5 minus 2a. So then we got 5 minus 2 times 4. b will be equal to 5 minus 8 equal to negative 3. When we got a equal to 4, then we have a equal to 1 over x plus 1. So 1 over x plus 1 will be equal to 4. Then x plus 1 equal to 1 over 4. Minus both sides of the equation by 1. So we got 1 over 4 minus 1. So then we will get negative 3 over 2. And then when b equal to negative 3, then we can find that 1 over y minus 2 is equal to negative 3. Then y minus 2 equal to negative 1/3. Then y equal to, we can add both sides of the equation with 2, then we will get 2 minus 1/3. Then 6 minus 1 divided by 3, that will be 5 over 3. Therefore, we got the answer, which is x equal to negative 3 over 2 and then y equal to 5 over 3. Now I have solved this problem. I hope you enjoy watching this video and hope to see you in the next video. Okay, bye.